Can you move his arm up on the other side? Just whack him in the head. Don't use your hands and see what he does.
He's trying to get traction.
Come on, buddy. He just needs something to push against. Woo! Here we go. Hey, buddy. Can you look at Mommy? Hi, Lane. Go, buddy, go. You just need something to push against. Whoa! Said Daddy's the end is near. We gotta stop. Go, buddy, go. That's hard work. You done? Say all done. All done. Dad, all done.